So, hindi inapprove ni BBM yung bill to make Pampanga the culinary capital of the Philippines. Kabalen, how do you feel about it? Of course, kahit anong probinsya naman siguro yung mag-submit na request to celebrate and recognize something that they're really proud of sa sariling lugar nila. Kapag hindi yan na-approve, natural malulungkot yan. So it's perfectly normal if you're feeling kinda sad about it. Especially since alam naman natin na for the longest time, Kapampangans have always been proud about their culinary skills. So palagay nyo, bakit nga ba ito hindi na-approve? Some people are suggesting political reasons, and kung babasahin naman natin yung letter from Malacanang, ang sabi nila, this could cause regional bias and might offend other provinces. And since yung rich regional difference daw yung strength ng Filipino cuisine, one must travel through the different islands of the Philippines in order to understand the Filipino palate. And honestly, if you think about it, this statement actually makes sense. Although kung eto talaga yung stand nila, then ang ibig sabihin yan, walang kahit anong province yung mabibigyan ng title to become the culinary capital of the Philippines. And to be fair, dapat mapanindigan din naman nila yon. However, with all of that being said, with or without the title, we as Kapampangans are still proud of our culture and heritage, and it should not affect our love for food and cooking. So continue to cook with love and keep on sharing that with the people around you. Okay na to.